Okay, so a personal question. If you could master any skill, what would it be?
Okay, not like, this is not life and death and probably not my top choice, but I would really love to master hitting a volleyball overhand to get it over the net. I have to underhand serve. That's the first thing that came to mind.
Okay.
Is it valuable in life as a life skill?
Brings you joy.
That's hilarious that is what you
That is
picked
where
up because
my
you
mind went.
hate volleyball.
I hate volleyball. I hate playing volleyball. Like, I really do.
But just the fact that
I would
that's where
just
your
like
brain
to
went
feel
to.
that smack and see that ball go flying.
Feel that power.
Yeah.
I get it. I get it.
Absolutely.
But no, I'll think of something better. You guys go.
I need to think,
Well, I'll go, seeing as it's my question. And I don't know if this is like valuable, whatever, but I've always wanted to know how to do electrical. Like, I know very, very little about electrical, and I should just spend some more time with Logan because I know you know how to do it. But I think it would be valuable in my career, but
It would be so
it would,
valuable.
yeah. And it's just something that's never really clicked in my brain, but I would really love to understand how it worked.
Agreed.
Yours would also be valuable in certain situations.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to downplay yours at all.
Watch me smack this volleyball. You want to sign with me? You want to sign this with Yeah.
If you can smack a volleyball, this deal is $10,000 cheaper.
No.
I lead the same way as Amy. Like, I do know a fair bit about the trades, but I am no Red Seal trade professional in anything. But if I would probably, and the problem is I would want to pick more than one. Like, I would want to be like gas fitter, plumber, electrical. Like,
Sure.
I would actually, in another life, I probably would have done one of those trades.
I totally thought you were going to say musical because you always talk about how you wish you could play music.
Yeah. I would, yeah, I've always wanted to be able to play.
Oh,
I
okay.
know that my ADHD brain and my personality type, like, I just can't focus on learning an instrument at this age. Like, I try to help my kids play piano and I'm like, nope, this doesn't work.
Like, our kids will play music by ear and he's like, that's just the coolest thing ever. And
Yeah, I don't have a musical brain. Nope.
All your
Hands
kids
on.
can do that?
Well, not Asher yet. He hasn't started piano lessons, but Evan Blaine will sound stuff out.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
They do not get that from me.
Yeah.
I think mine would be like mastering another language.
That's a good one.
That is a good one. Which
What-
language?
what
I don't-
language?
I'd have to think about it a little more. I mean, French probably would be easier because I have a little bit of a background, but it could be any language. Just like, I don't know, I feel like
For sure.
it's something people
Spanish
from
would be
other like cultures can speak two languages, and I wish that I could too.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
I agree
That's a
with
good
you.
one.
That is
Yeah.
a really good one. Kudos to you, Annette.
Yeah.
Speaking 2 languages.
Yeah, you go, girl.
Three
And a
lang-
little German too. Yeah. Okay, sorry, you go.
Yeah, I don't know, like mastering a trade, I think work-wise would be very valuable. If I'm going more like Jen's route.
Just a real passion project.
Smack a ball.
I would say like to be a good runner. Like I'm so jealous that you go running. Not that I can't go running. I just, yeah, I would like to have the motivation to, yeah, it doesn't feel good at all.
I'm not gonna lie. After this
tough.
last pregnancy, my body is hurting like crazy.
Really?
Yeah. So do it before you have children. Is my advice to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would love to master golf personally.
Oh, yeah.
I would love to get to golf in the
Yeah.
80s. That would be amazing. But I guess all
don't-
of mine, I'm clearly like sports oriented.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
The last
I was like, I
two.
would also like to
girl.
be good at hockey.
That's
so
what
I
happens
could,
when
like,
you've
my
mastered your
kids-
profession.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. No, what are you weak at? Sports, clearly. But yeah.
Smack a volleyball.
Can you serve a volleyball overhand?
Yeah.
Well, then you don't know. You don't know my woe. Everybody else smacks it overhand, and then Jen's turn to
All
serve.
right,
and here
team
she
volleyball
comes.
match.
Except I don't want to play volleyball.
Jen's not on my team.
Yeah, I actually don't want to play, but yeah.
Designated server.
I feel like lots of little like sport things like that, like golf or like even like curling or like anything that like little like hobby type sports like to master would be just make it more fun. Maybe I would want to do those activities more if I was a master, but I'm not a master, so I don't like it.
Yeah. To just hit like 3 golf shots where you wanted them to go in a row, like, oh, I can't imagine what that would feel.
I can like feel that feeling, and it would feel really good, I think. Not that I've done it before, but like
no, 3 in a row. Oh my gosh, yeah.
I think I saw a thing on or Instagram or whatever, TikTok or one of the other ones, but it was like if you could just lower your score by 1 stroke per hole.
Yeah.
Like, my game would be so much better.
right? And it sounds easy. It sounds so easy, but it's so hard in reality.
I always make the joke too. I feel like when I'm like really old and frail, I think I want to take up curling. Just because like, I don't know, like I'll just get, I started out in the rink and then I'll just get back in the rink. And it's just like, you know what I mean?
Sport.
You know,
curling's actually really hard.
I know, but I think, again, I would figure
that's
out.
also where all the old people like
crack their heads.
ruin their lives because they break their hips on the ice.
Well, I mean, at that point, like, let's live on the edge a little bit.
They have helmets now too, so
Just use the stick. They use a stick. You don't have to get down and push. You just push it with a stick.
Yeah. Am I going to try to master it today? No. It'll be like a couple decades down the road.
50 years from now.
Yeah.
Old curling.
It's a later problem.
Yeah.